This was MITSI Monday and I painted this in my art journal sketchbook. I'm not quite sure what to call it really, but this is what I did. I quite liked it. Funny mermaid creature things, I don't know what goes in my head, strange. Oh, I'm having fun painting this morning. I did, because it's MITSI Monday, I pulled out my sketch book and I did this. Seems to be like mermaidy, sorry I'm a bit shaky, I'm crouching. Maybe if I stand up it'd be better, it's better. And then I just did, my sketchbook. I don't know whether to call it a sketchbook or an art journal, but I did this one. It's not finished yet, I'm just waiting for it to sort of dry. Then I started painting some pets, some dogs. I'm going to do some more, but I quite like these aren't not quite finished, but I'm just waiting for it to dry because in my other sketchbook I got. So I like them so much, and then in my art journal I thought I'd do some similar ones. They look a bit different, just on some oil paper. So I haven't finished them yet, I'm just waiting for it to dry and then I'm going to work into them a bit. And I don't know, I'm just trying to stay inspired. So I got these back from a gallery that closed, so I've stuck them up here. I think you've seen me paint that one. I like that though. I cannot go on. Oh no, where is me? I can't do it anymore. The cat painting still is where it is. I haven't really done anything more to that, so that's like that. But I've put my cheese plant up. Got a cheese plant. What was it? What's the other word? What's it called properly? Begins with M. I've forgotten. It's past my brain. But look, it's like shot out so many call these long things that coming to get me. I go down to the floor. Just like my socks and Crocs combination and my hairy legs this morning. They're Sandra Rhodes socks. What do you call it? Snakes on them. Yeah. So I'm painting, which is good. I feel good. I've still got all this to tidy up. Well, it's a work in progress. I'm sort of moving things as I'm using them. I'm trying to make it a bit more homey. I've added my lamp that used to belong to my auntie. It's from New Zealand, I think. She used to live in New Zealand. Anyway, there we go. Well, I'm still painting cats, dogs and cats. Yes, I'm painting cats. That's progressed. I mixed up this really nice purpley colour. I just love it. I was inspired by this morning's one when I found these, and I found, which colour was it? Oh, I just wanted to, not that one. There's one of those Faber-Castell jelly toes. I must have it on my desk somewhere. I was using it, and this. So I mixed up the colour. Look, it matches exactly. I don't know where the jelly toe one's gone, but I was using it. Maybe it was that colour. I just made that a bit lighter. Yeah. So I've done him. It's not finished yet. I've done that. That's not finished yet. And I got this painting down that I showed you last. God, I can't fit it. I can't step back far enough. I used to see it's a big canvas. So I started to work on this, and I've painted over areas I did not like. It was all too much for muchness. And that painting there is something my son started. So a horse seems to have appeared with a cat on its back. So I don't know. I'm not sure what I'm doing. I'm just having a really good time. And I'm still waiting for these to dry, and then I'm going to paint some extras on them. And I'm just enjoying it. Really enjoying it. And that's going to be turned into something, because I hate it. A bit like my hair. Good morning. It's 7:30 a.m. and I've been up real early and I've managed to do my Cyril having a bath. I feel accomplished already because I've finished my tax return. Yay, that was bothering me, all that. Oh, but it's done now. Yay! It's one of those things that niggles you. Cyril, shush! Saying good morning to everybody. It's nice, isn't it? It's very cold though. The stars are still out. And it's really frosty. There's frost everywhere and icy. Anyway, I'm going back in the warm. Well, I've done a bit more to my studio. I've moved things around a bit. I don't know if you can actually tell. I've put my jewellery making stuff over this side and it was over the other side. And I need to not get my fingers in the way of the camera. and also remember not to move so quickly. So here we go, it's a bit slower. Here I've just got stuff that I haven't really sorted through yet, and then these are paintings that I've done recently, except for the ones in the plastic. They were from the gallery that closed. So I'm going to put these up for sale on my website when I get round to them, and these ones. And then did that last week, and I did that the other day, and the video's up on YouTube. And that was my watercolour Wednesday painting. That's going to be up for sale. I'm going to put these up for sale as well. If anybody's interested. Then I've just got stuff everywhere. Stuff. These, I finished these in my sketchbook, what you like to call that. These guys, I might sell prints of these on my website, because I've done my website this week as well, so there'll be a link to it, but I haven't got anything up for sale on it yet. So I've put it all together, so my watercolours and this stuff is all together. So go and check it out, even though I haven't got stuff for sale yet. That will be happening next week, will be the thing. So painting updates, I haven't done much since Wednesday, I don't think. I'll keep adding little bits. That's that one, the horse with the black cat on the back. I think this has changed a bit. So I'm not sure. I've added some swirly things, and this one's changed a bit. It's got some extra things like this yellow dog and an orange cat and like a flamingo bird that was there, and some things. So that one's coming along, and my Maud Lewis cats, 2 more have appeared. So yeah, I need to finish that one. I will finish it this week. Yes, definitely finish things this week. I've moved all my spray paints and other paints and things here as well, so I can stick stuff up on this wall and work on them. There's some more of my art. There's the guinea pig. Now he's alone now because the other one died. Yeah, so I've just got all my paint, and there's those nice stick things that I'm liking at the minute. More paint. Quite a lot of my, I haven't used paint for ages. I haven't done much, and I can't get the lids off half of them. And the spray paints are all mango. I don't use spray paint that much because it makes me cough, because it's not good for you, is it really? Yeah, so that's about it really. Yeah, it's Cyril's bed. Yeah, so there we go. That's the studio tidy up ish. Well, anyway, I'll give you another update next week. How exciting!